Wonderful learners, you are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to consider basic algebraic operation involving fractions, and the subtopic under it will be addition and subtraction of fraction. And we are going to simplify the following example. Let's solve question 1. We have 2 minus 3x over 2 plus x minus 5 over 2. The first thing that we need to consider here is the denominator. So LCM of the denominator is 2. Don't forget that the LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. The LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. So we are going to find the LCM, which is 2. We are going to have 2 minus 3s. Don't forget that 2 into 2 will give us 1. So we are going to have 1 in bracket of 2 minus 3x plus 2 into 2, that is 1. So we are going to have 1 in bracket of 1 minus 1 in bracket of 5 minus x. Then we are going to open the brackets. So when we open the brackets, we are going to have 2 minus 3x plus s minus 5 over 2. Then we are going to collect the like times. Collect the like times. Collect the like times. When we collect the like times, we are going to have 2 minus 5. Don't forget that the sign in front of it will follow it. So you are going to have minus 3s plus s over 2. 2 minus 5 will give us minus 3. Minus 3s plus s will give us minus 2s over 2. We can leave our answer like this, and we can also rewrite it as minus 2 minus 3 over 2. Let's solve question 2. We have 1 over s plus 2 plus 1 over s plus 5. So we are going to find the LCM. The LCM of the denominator here, the LCM of the denominator is s plus 2, s plus 5. S plus 2, s plus 5. So we are going to have s plus 2, s plus 5. S plus 2 here, it remains s plus 5. So we are going to have 1, we are going to have s plus 5 in bracket of 1 plus s plus 5 here, so it's going to remain s plus 2. So we are going to have s plus 2 in bracket of 1. By the time you open the brackets, you are going to have s plus 5 plus s plus 2 over s plus 2 in bracket of s plus 5. I always encourage my students to open the numerator parts only. Just leave the denominator side. That's 2s plus 7 over s plus 2 in bracket of s plus 5. Let's solve question 3. We have 1 over y plus 2 over y minus 5. The denominator, the LCM of the denominator, is y in bracket of y minus 5. So we are going to find the LCM, which will be y in bracket of 1 minus 5. Y here, it remains y minus 5. So we are going to have y minus 5 in bracket of 1 plus y minus 5 here, so we are going to have y in bracket of 2. Then we are going to open the bracket. When we open the bracket, we are going to have y minus 5 plus 2 times y, that will be 2y, over y in bracket of y minus 5. And by the time we collect the like times, we are going to have 3y minus 5 over y in bracket of y minus 5. So let's solve question 4. In question 4, we have 5 over 2y plus 1 plus 5 over 2y minus 1. So we are going to find the LCM. The LCM of the denominator, is 2y plus 1 in bracket of 2y minus 5. So we are going to find the LCM here, which will be 2y plus 1 in bracket of 2y minus 1. 2y is here, so it remains 2y minus 1. So we are going to have 5 in bracket of 2y minus 1 plus 2y minus 1 is also here. It remains 2y plus 1. So we are going to have 5 in bracket of 2y plus 1. So by the time we open the brackets, we are going to have 5 times 2y, which will give us 10y. 5 times 1 will give us 5. Plus 5 times 2y, that will be 10y. 5 times 1, that will be plus 5. Over 2y plus 1 in bracket of 2y minus 1. So we are going to have 10y plus 10y, that will be 20y. Minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. So we are going to have 20y over 2y plus 1 in bracket of 2y minus 1. So let's solve question 5. The LCM of the denominator, which are 3 and 4, is 12. So we are going to find the LCM, which is 12. 3 in 12, that will be 4. So we are going to have 4 in bracket of a plus 1 minus 4 in 12, that's 3. 3 in bracket of a plus 2. Then we are going to open the bracket. When we open the bracket, we are going to have 4 times a, which will give us 4a. 4 times 1 will give us 4. Minus 3 times a will give us minus 3a. Minus 3 times plus 2. Minus times plus will give us minus. 3 times 2 will give us 6 over 12. Then we are going to collect like times. When we collect like times, we are going to have 4a minus 3a plus 4 minus 6 over 12. And our answer will be a minus 2 over 12. Thank you. See you next class.